All right, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to talk about lesson number 8, area. Woohoo! So what is area? Area is the number of square units needed to cover a surface. So we've seen kind of these formulas before. Go ahead and write those. So we're going to find the area of a rectangle that has the length of 7 yards and a width of 1 yard. So that is my 7 times my 1, which is equal to 7. And I need to keep my units in terms of yards as well. And since we're an area in our two-dimensional shape, my units have to have a two-dimension as well, and that's why we say it's squared. Next one is we have a square with a side length of 2, and 2 squared is 4. So he's 4 square meters. Next, we have a parallelogram with a base of 11 and a height of 9, which gives me 99 feet squared. Next, we have a triangle with a base of 12 millimeters and a height of 5 millimeters. So this one's slightly different. It's a half times base times height. So you start with the leftmost, which would give me 6 times 5. Which is 30. Ooh, I forgot my units. Now, another way to get to the same problem is some people like this version of the formula. Base times height divided by 2. It doesn't really change the problem at all. It's just a different format. So I could start by taking my 12 times my 5 divided by 2. 12 times 5 is 60. And then I take 60 divided by 2, which is 30. Which we see is the exact same answer. My cat is being weird. Oh, he's fine with a bug. Nothing new. Okay, next we're going to talk about the area of a circle. Just like what I dealt with my perimeter, I had to talk about circles as well. Same thing. So the area of my circle is pi r squared, where again, pi is my favorite number, 3.14, and r stands for radius. Get the bug? I don't know. So we have a circle with a radius of 3 centimeters. So I'm going to take pi times 3 squared. And we know 3 squared is 9, so I have pi times 9. Which gives me 28 and a bunch of decimals. And it says on our homework to keep it to the nearest tenth. I don't know why they didn't add that in the notes at all, but they decided not to. So let's just keep it consistent for consistency's sake and leave it to the nearest tenth. This next one, I have a diameter and I need a radius. So what I need to do is I need to start by taking that 21 divided by 2, which is 10.5. And then I need to take that pi times 10.5 squared. And that's pi times 110.25, which gives me 346.4 meters squared. Time for your assignment.